This is it, our last adventure in Korea. We are going to Busan tonight. Driving in Korea.
That's a full race. That's a full...
Trust me, getting to Busan tonight was an absolute adventure, except my microphone is breaking and I've lost a lot of the sound. So this is what it looks like going to Busan.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive.
You see, this has been a great time to have the audio because this is when we discovered turn-by-turn directions in South Korea aren't always all that accurate. So we ended up going down some one-way streets, having to do a little turnaround, and you see that road up there? That's where we're trying to get to. So wish us luck, and we hope we don't get hit.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end.
Yeah, I just want you all to know, as your chief, how much I appreciate the sacrifice that you made coming here. Yeah. And being forced to eat all this wonderful, food at government expense.
Did it for you, Chief.
Yep, I know you guys did.
Thank you.
Dammy, right here, guys. It's a heart.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
Hi. Thank God we made it to Busan. Thing is, as we're pulling in, we realized that I did not bring my international driver's permit, which is good because I'm not driving, but our driver forgot his Korean driver's license. All right, next year we're coming here and not Chinhae.
Just drive.
We are definitely staying in the wrong town. This is awesome.
Just drive. Just drive.
Creative Wi-Fi password, good beer. Dude is singing karaoke up there. Oh, they got an audience. Look at that up there. I like this town. Okay, Goose Pale Ale.
You've got to come with me to Japan so we can do the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's got to be breweries.
That is unique.
And your wife.
Moonrise Pale Ale.
Not my fan. I'm not a fan. I now know who to get my ghost beer to.
She loves when she's not pregnant. Can I get a sour beer?
Standard flights.
Here and here.
What in the world am I drinking
I'll
now?
take that one too.
Dong Yang
Make it easy for you.
Challenge Round 5.
Same thing, just on the
Yeah,
other side.
from the lightest looking beer. It's from like the Lighthouse
Oh my
Blonde
God.
All the way
to
to
the
the top.
Fruity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Red Devil Reaper. Red Devil Reaper.
That blonde is delicious.
Aren't they usually? Yes, they are.
I think I got that on tape. I've never had beer this flavor before. This is awesome. Truffle fries.
Just to be clear, it doesn't seem that it is a U.S. based.
Oh my God, that's good.
But we should be able to get on Grand Bay.
Are you kidding me? Kimchi fries.
Oh my gosh. Those are good too.
All right, kimchi fries. So hang on. Grab one. Out.
In order for that creation.
God. Woo! Now this is one team that really gets along great together.
Yeah, those are good.
All right, go ahead and tell you this place is getting a thumbs up. Yeah.
Somebody put honey on a pizza, and it's delicious.
This is good.
No, why not want a pizza? Not unless you're a girl. Oh, this is good. This is honey. This is
Like I said, I might have finally found the mushroom I like. This is a truffle burger. Dang. Oh yeah, baby. There's bacon.
Anyways, you guys like reaction?
Everything's better than bacon. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god, that's good.
I think we destroyed this dinner. Well, that's it from this brewing company, but it's not it from Busan. So give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. In the next episode, we're going to take a look at some of the more unusual street food of Busan.